So my name is Philip Piatkiewicz and I'm the Secretary General of ADRA, the AI Data Robotics Association. So we're the private side of the public-private partnership under Horizon Europe, and we bring together research and industry interests to feed into the European Commission's thinking on the Research Innovation Framework Programme to support the technologies. Today I came to see some of the work of the Networks of Excellence. They've been contributing important work to the development of the ecosystem in Europe. There are a number of results from those projects that now have to be looked at from the perspective of sustainability. So ADRA is looking to identify those work streams that need to be continued until alternative sources of funding are identified and ensure that the results aren't lost. So I guess that's our kind of primary role here, is to look at where we can support, where we can continue to help those networks develop their activities, or at least sustain them until we can find a kind of alternative funding models.